Hello everyone, just wanted to do a quick unboxing and setup video of the brand new DJI Osmo Pocket. I just picked this up last night from my local Best Buy. So anyways, let's go ahead and get this thing unpackaged, see what it's all about. Like you got a little bit of tape here and here, so we get that popped open. Slide this on out. Maybe. Not taped down. They don't make this very easy to get into, do they? So it's going to end up being torn off. Alright, so paper out of the way. We got a little bit of blue paperwork. So let's see, we have Osmo Shield, and for more information visit our website. This talks about the DJI Osmo Shield program. Not too bad, pretty good. You can, if you have any problems with this in the future, you can get it repaired through DJI or get it replaced through them. It's not too bad, it's pretty good. I ended up going for the protection plan through the Geek Squad protection plan through Best Buy. Just because it's a lot easier to go swap it out from in the store, get a new one in the store, not have to send it back to DJI, and just a lot easier. You know, it costs a little bit more money through Best Buy, but easier to deal with directly through a local store rather than shipping it out somewhere. All right, so let's get this out of the way. Go ahead and open this up. See what we have. There we go. Look at that. Man, that thing is tiny. Small that thing is. Wow. Okay, set this off to the side. What else do we have in here? Looks like we have the carrying case. A bunch of our paperwork and documents. See what all it comes with. Got our silica gel. Okay, so this is our lanyard. I'm not sure if we can hook this up to the Osmo itself or if it needs to be hooked up to the carrier. It looks like it's probably going to be on the carrier. Yep, right there. Right on the end of the carrier. Okay, got our paperwork. Do you like to read the paperwork or not? I don't know. I don't usually read the paperwork right at first. I'll download the manual online and read it there. So I'm not going to look at it right at the moment. Our packaging opened up. So we have our USB-C cable. I would assume to charge it. We have our two cell phone adapters that go right on the front of the Osmo. We have a Lightning connector, and we have a USB-C connector for Android and iOS iPhone products. Alright, so on here, looks like we got a couple little stickers we need to remove. On the face, that one comes off. This one comes off. So under there you have your touch screen, and then here on the face you have your record buttons and your mode button. On the side is your micro SD port. On the bottom is your USB-C port. And here you can slide the door off. That's where your adapters for your cell phone goes onto. pretty nice. You see, like, you can literally fit this in your hand really easily. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and get this thing set up on the DJI Mimo app. My phone, I'm using just a Galaxy Note 9 from Samsung, so Android phone. A brand new SD card here. So get that put in there. Definitely don't make these things very easy to get into. All right. Let's see, throw this thing in here. It looks like it goes with the words facing the back. Okay. Put that in. I don't know if this thing has any power or not yet, so let's turn it on and see. It has some battery. All right. So on the screen, we just set our language, so English. Device not activated. All right, so that means we need to activate the device. Let me get my USB-C adapter out. I don't need the lightning port. The USB-C. All right. Pop this off. Slide this in. All right. Now, let's see. I don't know if it's going to start up right away or if I have to actually turn the app on. Let's see. Okay, it's telling me open DJI Mimo. Yes, used by default for this USB accessory. Okay. All right, starting up. Okay. Agree. Allow.
Before activation, download.
Allow. Agree. 1 year warranty. Okay, you gotta turn the device info on. Next. Okay, log in. Alright, so now I'm logged in. We'll go ahead and hit activation. Activation success. Done. And it says there's a tip, and I have no idea what that tip says because it's not in English. Alright, so now it says it wants to update the firmware. Install. Looks like the lights are going crazy on the Osmo Pocket where it's updating. So the nice thing is I am able to use this with my case on the phone. Some people I've heard could not because their case is a little bit bigger. I have a slightly smaller case, so that works well. That's pretty nice. Update success. All right, there you have it. All set up. Definitely looking forward to getting this thing out there, taking some neat videos, maybe see some Christmas lights since it's still Christmas time. there you go. That's my unboxing and setup. It wasn't too bad. Took a little bit longer for firmware update, but those usually take long anyways. So, all right. Well, thanks for watching.